In the world of technology, innovation often takes surprising forms, and one such example is the concept of a tricycle computer. This idea marries the functionality of modern computing with the unique mobility of a tricycle. By integrating computing systems into a portable, wheeled platform, it opens up possibilities for individuals to access digital resources and productivity tools while being mobile. The design of a tricycle computer is built to be both practical and versatile. Imagine a tricycle that, instead of the usual handlebar setup, has a built-in digital interface or touchscreen control system. This interface could allow users to interact with applications, browse the web, or even create content while they move from place to place. It's not just for casual use, it can be an ideal tool for digital nomads or people in urban environments who need to stay connected while on the move. The tricycle itself serves as a unique hybrid of transportation and technology. It could be equipped with sensors, cameras, and a GPS system, enabling users to explore the environment, learn new things, or even track their fitness and location. For example, riders could plan their route using the computer system and take a scenic ride while receiving live traffic updates or environmental data. The user could also video chat, send emails, or take notes, all while enjoying a smooth ride through city streets or parks. One of the key advantages of a tricycle computer is its potential for accessibility. Unlike a traditional laptop or tablet, which is typically used while stationary, a tricycle computer allows for an active and engaging computing experience while traveling. This could be especially beneficial for people with disabilities, as the tricycle could be designed to be more stable and easier to operate than a traditional bicycle or vehicle. Its three-wheel design provides added support and balance, making it a safer option for those who may have difficulty maintaining balance on two wheels. In addition to its practical uses, the tricycle computer represents a blend of creativity and engineering. It's not just about making technology mobile, it's about rethinking how we interact with the digital world. By incorporating the latest in computer technology and combining it with a traditional form of transportation, it encourages people to explore new ways of using their devices and getting work done, all while contributing to a healthier, more active lifestyle. In conclusion, the tricycle computer is an exciting concept that merges two distinct worlds, mobility and computing. With the right design and features, it could become